Office standard audit before during release. Every door needs fire and acoustic ratings. Normally this takes hours. Some doors already have incorrect values like 25 minutes. Let's fix them automatically. Open BIBIM AI from the top tab. Tell BIBIM, audit every door against the office standard. Find missing fire rating and acoustic rating values. Then apply the correct default based on the door classification. BIBIM starts auditing the model. Done. BIBIM shows full audit recap. Missing values detected, standardized automatically, and organized into a complete QA report. Before, after, and summary sheet, all separated automatically. Every missing property and applied value is documented. Now, let's verify it directly in Archicad. Click any door, and the fire rating and acoustic rating values are already applied to the real element properties. One more check, tell BIBIM, find any walls thinner than 50 mm and select them in the model for review. BIBIM detects the problem walls automatically. Done. Now the review is immediate. 11 wall issues flagged. No manual searching, no missing modeling errors. QA report completed in one session. Let's try BIBIM.